Hello, I'm JetSetSarah and welcome to my hometown of Miami. Cheers. The Standard is on Belle Isle, which is a little man-made island that's halfway between downtown Miami and South Beach. The energy of South Beach is just 10 minutes walk away. Lincoln Road is just about 15 minutes walk away. It's a really cool hotel. There's a sort of retro hipster vibe. My favorite thing to do here at the Standard is to come for happy hour. When I have friends in town, this is the place where I bring them. Mostly because I love this bayfront location. We're overlooking the water at Biscayne Bay. There are fantastic sunsets. Sometimes you see dolphins in the water, and I guarantee you're going to see some power yachts and the whole Miami lifestyle just rolling by you.
I'm here for a poetry reading by Aja Monet, who is a locally known poet and activist.
My message, the thing I'm trying to get across, my agenda, is about a sense of introspection and honesty and brutal honesty that kind of forces you to speak up, forces you to do something different, gets you to see the world in another way.
Aja, are we all poets?
We all have the capacity to seek meaning and to tell the truth. And so I think that that's how I determine and measure what a poet is. Not all of us write poems, but all of us have the ability to see the world in new ways and to tell the truth about the lives we're experiencing.
What's your advice for aspiring poets and writers?
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth. That's a good one. Thank you very much.
Yes.
You know, I had a great time here tonight. Aja's poetry was so moving and so real, and I think I learned that I have a little bit of a poet inside me too. There was no better place in the Standard to have done this. The vibe, the people, the energy was really creative, really cultural, and you know, so Miami, really. Honestly, I cannot wait to come back.